The Job Seekers Toolkit gives serious candidates their best chance to get their dream job. Let's take a quick tour to see what's inside. After a simple login, you'll land on your homepage. Your activity calendar and list of events are displayed alongside a store of topical articles and blogs. Tabs along the top of the page take you to different sections of your toolkit. Starting with Interview Coach, you'll have 2,000 interactive video vignettes to practice answering interview questions. There's even coaching and sample answers that will make you a natural when you have your live interview in front of someone that can offer you a job. Resumes are a challenge for all of us, but your toolkit's wizard makes it easy to create the perfect resume. And you'll want different versions to emphasize strengths for various positions. You can easily make tweaks and keep all the versions organized for instant access. Video resumes. More and more employers are requiring you to submit your resume on video. Your toolkit's video creator will help you record your live resume with as many practice tries as you wish and package it for submission. And now, resources. Not the most creative name for what might become your favorite place on the web, but check what you have here. First, you can search for jobs specific to your chosen field and in the exact geographical location you want. We aggregate openings from a number of sources and present descriptions and contact information so you can immediately pursue opportunities. When you find something interesting, just click Save Job. The Manage Opening section will organize and store the opportunity so you can track or respond as you wish. Finally, the View Career Videos tab will take you to a video search of specific job functions within any number of industries. Looking for a new field to get into? This is a good place to start. Or, if you're a seasoned veteran, check these videos to see what hot phrases, buzzwords, or talents you should feature in your resume and interview. Now that was a quick introduction, and there's a wealth of information and value we just can't cover in 2 minutes. If you really want a better job, the Job Seekers Toolkit is the most valuable ally you could possibly have.
How does this position fit into your long-term goals?